Hello guys, a very happy new year. This is my first video of this year and it's been months I have not uploaded a video, but let's get into track with this video. And today we will be talking about a budget PC that I own and also will show the assembling and the parts used for this particular PC build. So let's get started. The total bill costs around 43,513 rupees to be exact after some discount, or else the total cost would be 46,249 rupees. We'll show you the price breakdown of each component in the screen. And the total cost is excluding a graphics card, as that will depend on you what GPU you're gonna use. As for me, I will be using a second-hand graphics card that makes the total bill cost of around 50,000 rupees. Well, now watch the time-lapse of the build. So all the components are being fixed and assembled, and now we'll try powering on the PC, installed Windows 10 and some drivers too. All the installation has been done and the PC seems stable and working as expected. And I guess this video is getting long, so I will make a part 2 of this where I will include some benchmark and gameplay. Though gameplay video has already been uploaded, the link will be in the description below. So that's all for today. Subscribe and stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe.